In this video, I will show you how to increase Amex credit card limit without limitations. First of all, open any browser and search Amex. Click on the first link. Amex website will appear. Log in to your Amex account. If you don't already have it, click on Login from the top right side and create your new account. In order to increase the credit card limit, make sure that your Amex account is verified and you actively use it. One of the best ways to do this is to request American Express to increase the limit. So click on the Help option from the top right side. Scroll down and click on Contact US. Then click on the category Personal Cards. Here you can see the customer service numbers through which you can contact them and ask for guidance. Moreover, you can simply click on the Help option from the top and tell the issue that you want to increase your credit card limit. After every 9 months, you are eligible to make a request for increase in limit. Here you can also see that different ways are given to boost your credit score. If you want to view the full range of your Amex credit card, you can visit the AmericanExpress.com Hot Apply website.